人怀孕10月，依据印度当时的风俗，要回到娘家生产，途中到达了美丽的蓝毗尼园。Queen Maya was pregnant for 10 months. According to ancient Indian custom, she must return to her parents' home to give birth to the baby. On her way, she passed through the beautiful Lumbini Park. 在蓝毗尼王家花园时，摩耶夫人诞生下尊贵的太子。Queen Maya gave birth to the dignified prince in Lumbini Park. 摩耶夫人带着太子，命令驾返加皮罗卫城。Queen Maya returned to Kapilavastu with her newborn prince. 一位年高的仙人阿斯陀知道后，特来为太子看相。An old sage, Asita, came to visit the prince in order to read his facial features. 老仙人观察太子的相貌后，认为具有非凡的象征，预言太子将来一定会出家修行，证得无上大教。
大觉
The old sage observed that the baby possessed great virtue in his countenance and foretold